Have you ever wondered, if God really wants me to be pure, why does he allow me to struggle with lust? Why does he let you fight the same urge again and again? Why doesn't he just remove it? Today, you'll understand the truth that nobody talks about, a truth that can set you free from lust forever. Stay till the end, because what I reveal in the last 2 minutes will completely change the way you see your weakness. Seat 1. The hidden purpose behind the struggle. Let's start with a reality people don't like to accept. God doesn't allow struggles to break you. He allows them to build you. Think about it. Every hero in every story had a monster to fight. Arjuna had doubt. Even Jesus walked through suffering and separation. Struggle is not punishment. Struggle is preparation. Your battle with lust is not a sign that God is disappointed with you. It's a sign that he is preparing you for self-control, strength, and mastery. If God just removed every temptation, you would never develop real power. Diamonds only become diamonds under pressure, and you are under the same pressure for a reason. Act 2. Lust is the weight that builds your spiritual muscles. Imagine this. A trainer puts weight on your shoulders, not to crush you, but to make you stronger. Lust is that weight. Every time you say no, every time you walk away, every second you resist, you build discipline that most people will never have. God could remove the temptation instantly, but then you would never learn self-control, willpower, mental strength, emotional clarity, spiritual awareness. The struggle is not the enemy. The struggle is the gym. Without resistance, there is no growth. Without temptation, there is no transformation. Act 3. The real reason you aren't free. Yet if you're still struggling, it's not because God is against you, it's because he is trying to show you something. You can't fight lust with willpower alone. You need purpose. Lust becomes powerful when life becomes empty. When your mind has no direction, lust becomes the direction. But when you focus on growth, spirituality, fitness, career, your goals, lust loses its power. God isn't delaying your victory. He's redirecting you toward the version of you that can defeat it permanently. A stronger you, a more focused you, a more disciplined you. Final act. Your weakness is actually your calling. Listen carefully. The things you struggle with the most are often the things you are meant to rise above and then help others fight. Your story isn't over. Your purity journey isn't failing, it's starting. God is shaping you into someone with a powerful testimony, someone who can look back and say, I defeated lust, I rebuilt my mind, I rewired my habits, I transformed my life. And that victory will inspire thousands. Your struggle is not a curse, it's your calling. So next time the urge comes, remember this. You're not falling, you're training, you're becoming.